Welcome to Spring LIB.
All right, we've got a question here that describes the illumination of an object by a light source directly proportional to the strength of the source, inversely proportional to the square of the distance from the source. Excuse me. If there's two light sources, call this light source 1, light source 2, that are 10 feet apart, then where should we place an object on the line between the sources so that they receive the least illumination? Okay, so we know that one of them is 3 times stronger than the other one, so we can hypothetically say that L is the stronger one. So L would be, the L1 would be equal to 3L2. And here we can write out an equation for the intensity of the light equal to, basically we want to place the object somewhere here. Okay, we want to place this object at some point and calculate. Okay, so if we wrote out an equation for the intensity of light, we know that the intensity of the light is given as the strength. We're told that it is proportional to strength over distance squared. This here we could call x. This here we could call 10 minus x. Right, now if we start filling in strength, we would have 3L, 3L2, okay, over the distance squared, which in this case would be x squared. And we add L2 over here, 10 minus x squared. Okay, so we got the strength over the distance squared, strength over the distance squared. That is our intensity of light equation. Okay, now if we go ahead and take the derivative of the intensity of light, we will get 3L2 negative 2 times x to the negative 3 plus 2 times negative 2 times 10 minus x to the negative 3 times, equals to 0. Right here, this would be negative 6, L2 over x to the third, plus, minus negative 2L2, 10 minus 3 cubed, 0. All right, now let's move the L's on one side and the X's on the other side. So we could do L2 x cubed equal to positive so negative, so it should be a positive here, right? This is a negative, negative, so it becomes a positive. You have a negative 2L2 over 10 minus 3 cubed. All right, you divide everything by negative 2, 3L2 cubed is equal to L2 over 10 to the 3, 10 to the x, I'm sorry. For some reason I'm writing 3 here. It should be an x. Okay, we can divide everything by L2 here, and so you'll have 3 over x cubed equals to 1 over 10 minus x3. Then you have a 3 is equal to 1 over x cubed 10 minus x to the third. Okay. Actually, let's go ahead and divide by 3 instead of x cubed. If we multiply x cubed on both sides and then multiply 10 to the third, 10 minus x to the third on both sides, then we'll get an x cubed here and a 3 multiplied by 10 minus x cubed. All right, if we solve for x, we would get the square root, the cube root of 3, 10 minus x to the third. Which is the same thing as 3 root 3 multiplied by 10 minus x. We'll get 10 times cube root 3 minus cube root 3x. And then we can add the x's together. So we know cube root 3, same thing as 1.44 plus 1, 2.442 x is equal to 10 cube root 3. So x is equal to 10 cube root 3 over 2.442. Plug that into my handy dandy calculator. We'll get 5.91. Okay, that'll be our distance x here, and then our distance here would be 10 minus that, which is 4.09, 5.91. All right, well, I hope that clarifies the question. Thank you so much for watching.